Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Saturday, April 15th, and in this video I want to take a look at copper. So let's go. Alright, looking at the 2-hour chart of the futures contract for copper. And in my last video I saw this as they were making a running flat and they were going to come down in what I thought was going to be a diagonal format. So I thought that this was 1 and that was 2 and then this was I thought was a leading diagonal, and I said now they need to correct and then come down for 4, finish 3 and then 4 and 5 and come down and break that low, but they didn't do that. So they made the correction, they made the 3-wave correction, and so I took a chance here on Monday, early Monday they came up, and then it fell real hard, and so it was looking really good and it broke that other low right there. So I was able to set my trade to break even with this sudden fall. But then they spent the rest of Monday just coming up pretty aggressive. So it took me out for a nothing trade. So we can now rule that out. So this was a diagonal coming down. Unfortunately for me, it was an ending diagonal. So, and this is not a running flat here. So I think when I look at it again, I think I missed the running flat. This piece right here was the running flat in there. And so I think all in all is what you have. And then over here, there's a expanding flat. Come on. All right, let me fix this. That should be down here. Okay. So I think all this is just a 1, 2, 3 correction, ABC. And so now the question is that, if I zoom out to a 4-hour, is that all the correction for this move up? So, and so far we've got just 3 waves coming up now. So they broke that high. So we got 1, and then this is B, and then I can count 5 waves up to here. So it could be done, and then it really started to sell off on Friday. So that's why I think I still might get one more chance at having copper come down. I think copper's going to come down and somewhere into this green zone here. So 3, 8. What is this? 3,746 down to maybe 3,6 somewhere in here. Because I think this move down, I think that's going to be the A. This is going to be the B, and then they'll come down in some format, 5 waves for a C wave for a regular flat. So what I'm watching for is, now it could be, I want to watch this reaction here because so far we just have 3 waves coming down. So a little 1 and then back up and then a real sharp drop. If they come up here and then drop, then that'll could be the impulse, and then you'll get a correction up and then it should resume. So what I'm watching for is if when they come and they break that high right there, that to me will signify that this is just an ABC for the B wave. And so that when that gets broken, that's when I'll start looking for a sell setup to come all the way down to at least break that 3.8 level and potentially getting down into this green zone. So that's what I'm watching for. Now, for it to be, for this to all be the correction down to here, then this would have to be 1, 2, and then they need to make a much stronger move up. So if we zoom in, because what I see is it looks like this is an expanding flat here. So 1, 2, and then they have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3, or sorry, 3, and then they came down for 4 and then went up for 5. So it looks like 5 waves to me. But obviously, if if they come up, if they just kind of like start pushing up and then they come and break this high again, then I think that this is all the third wave and it's going up. So this is 1, 2, and then they're like creating the third wave, and it's got to go much higher because it would have to come up to here, come down for like a 4, and then still go back up for the fifth wave. So that's why I'm just gonna wait. If it breaks that high, then I think it's down for the C wave. But if they kind of hang up here and then obviously break this 419 level again, then I think this is just a simple ABC, and it's gonna go break this 4358 level. All right, that's what I see on copper. Let me know of any comments or questions. Thanks for your likes and support, and see you in the next video.